I want you to learn something from this video. But first, you need a pen and paper. So pause the video now and get back when you're ready. Are you ready? I'm gonna show you 24 random words and babasahin ko ito at normal speed. Pwede nyo kong sabayan habang binabasa ko. Jeep, bikini, flower, bicycle, coffee, camel, minimalist, Santa Claus, bread, representative, cigarette, persuasion, Duterte, police, ambiguous, collaboration, noodles, coconut, diaper, meaning, horse, car, giraffe, book. Try to recall those words on paper. As many words as possible. Okay, welcome back! Natandaan nyo ba yung words na jeep, flower, or bikini? Most likely, due to primacy effect na tinatawag. It refers to the easy recall of the first items in the list. Ganyan ang brain natin. Yung mga information na pumapasok, ina-attend niya agad, and he tends to store them into our long-term memory. That's why we have the saying, first impressions last. Diba? So if you're going to meet your girlfriend's parents for the very first time, or you're gonna meet your potential client or prospective buyer for the first time, show your best in the first 10 seconds of your meetup. You don't have a second chance to make a first impression. So, paano pa natin i-apply yan sa ating learning session? For example, nagbabasa tayo ng book. Usually, gusto natin matapos agad yung book in one sitting. Pero pag ginawa natin yun, natatandaan natin marami information sa first part ng book due to primacy effect, and more information sa last part ng book due to recency effect. Pero in the middle, marami makakalimutan natin. Kaya if you're going to graph the numbers of information na marirecall natin from the book, it looks like a letter U. On the first part ng book, marami tayong matandaan, and sa last part ng book, marami din matandaan. Pero in the middle, nakalimutan na natin. So, for effective and efficient reading, magbasa tayo fraction by fraction. Siguro we spent 30 minutes for reading the book, fraction of it, and then stop, try to recall, magkaroon ka na isang primacy and isang recency effect. Break for at least 3 minutes, then go back to reading, and again, for 30 minutes, magbasa tayo, stop, try to recall another primacy and recency. Take a break for 3 minutes. Another fraction of the book, another primacy and recency. So kapag ginawa natin yon, matapos natin yung book, mas marami tayong matatandaan. Kasi maraming primacy and recency na magte-take place sa pagbabasa natin ng book na to. And kapag tayo nagpe-present or giving a talk, ano natin gagamitin? Yung principle ng primacy and recency. Professional speakers, they spend a few minutes sa first part ng talk nila para bigay yung overview. Kasi alam nila the principle of primacy. Natatanda ng audience yung first information na maririnig nila from the speaker. And the last part ng talk nila, they spend at least 3 to 5 minutes para i-summarize yung entire talk nila. Because they know the recency effect. Natatanda ng audience yung mga huli nilang maririnig sa speaker na yon. So, pwede natin yung i-apply in our professional life also. Next, na-recall nyo ba si President Duterte? Of course. Kasi, siya yung outstanding dito sa group of words. Siya na kasi only person and the President of the Philippines. Any information na nag-stand out sa group, talagang ina-attend agad ng brain natin yan, ini-store niya into long-term memory. I-validate natin. Kapag na-introduce sa iyo 10 tao, yung isa napakaganda o kaya ay napakatangkad niya, automatic matatandaan natin kasi outstanding siya. Again, any information na nag-stand out, ina-attend ng brain at tinatandaan niya. Kaya yung mga information, kailangan natin gawing outstanding para ma-store siya sa ating long-term memory. Now, na-recall nyo ba yung coconut? How about the diaper? The bicycle? Santa Claus? Bread? Police? Cigarette? Coffee? Camel? Most likely. Kasi mabilis sila i-visualize. Napipicture out agad natin sila. Sa previous video natin, sabi nga natin, the brain processes images, pictures. At ganun, mabilis natin i-process yung mga words na nabanggit ko. For example, coconut. Instantly, nagpapapap sa mind mo ang picture ng buko. O kaya, coconut tree. When I say diaper, biglang magpapap sa mind mo ang picture ng baby na naka-diaper. Or, when you hear the word camel, ma-imagine mo agad yung picture ng malaking animal na may hump sa likod. Ganun kabilis i-process ng brain ang pictures. Pero without pictures, nahihirapan ang brain na process ito. Did you recall persuasion? How about the word meaning? Representative, minimalist, ambiguous, collaboration. Di ba ang hirap niyang i-recall? Kasi hindi agad tayo makapag-create ng picture. Anong picture mo for ambiguous? For the word minimalist? Meron ka ba agad nakikreate na picture sa mind mo? Wala. So, we need to convert abstract materials into something na mapipicture ng brain natin para i-process siya. So, to recap, when we are given a list of information and later asked to recall them, those items at the beginning and those items at the end tend to be recalled easily in comparison sa mga items in the middle of the list due to primacy and recency effect. And secondly, any information na nag-stand out sa group, natatandaan ng brain. So we have to make those informations na gusto natin matandaan na unique, na mag-stand out para i-process agad ng brain. And lastly and most important, kailangan natin i-convert into images or pictures those informations na abstract para i-process siya ng brain and ma-recall natin later. So hopefully, may na-share ako sa inyo today. More memory, more power.